Hello and welcome to DIY Crafts. I'm Magical Maiden and welcome to my channel. So today what I have for you is something I recently made over the past few weeks, or actually week. So you can see this over here and I'm going to show you a close-up. So what I did was I had some tarot cards and I didn't know where to store them. So now my husband made a cute little thing for his, but I didn't have anything. So what I did was I made this, and I'm going to give you a better look after. And then look what I did in the thing, in the back of the binder right there. Of course mine had to be bling. Now what it is, and then this was, okay, so this was one of those book boxes that you get at the craft store or most stores, and it was like a reddish brown, and I'm going to show you the inside. It was a reddish brown like that color and a leather, and the inside and it had gold. See the gold on the rim? It had gold over here, so I painted that. So what I did was I got some of that peel and stick like wallpaper from Amazon, and it's like a leather crinkle. So like I said, I'm going to give you a better, closer look as the video goes on. And I had my husband put it on for me because he's Mr. Precise and he does a great job with that. But then what I did was I had some filigree pieces and filigree stars. So on the four corners I put that with the filigree stars, and then I glued some acrylic gemstones in purple, and then I got, these are stickers with the stars. There were flat star stickers, raised ones, and I got all those at Hobby Lobby, all the stickers. But this is glitter cardstock, and what I did was I traced a crescent moon, and then I just cut it out. And so those are various different stickers, and the moon I traced. And then I used some E6000 glue and glued everything. So all those stickers and the glitter cardstock you can get at Hobby Lobby. The filigree pieces you'd have to order. So if I can find the link. Now they came in gold. I had them spray painted silver already because it was making jewelry. So I had those extra pieces. And over here, these are like star stickers. That's why they're kind of raised. And I didn't use any glue to hold them in place. Normally I would add a little E6000 glue, but I think I'm pretty gentle with my stuff and careful, so I think they'll stay there. And then there was some blingy letters I had gotten for some project that I think it was when I made, when my cat Rudy passed. And so I took my cat Rudy and my cat Butterball and I made a shadow box, and I got some glitter. So here were the letters, and I wrote, and I just put the tarot on there and the two glitter stars with the acrylic gemstones. And so that's what it looks like. I left the back, you know, plain, but I mean, you could do something if you want to put some. I would put flat stickers like my little one. I wouldn't put any raised ones if you were going to do that in the back. So then this part, like I said, was gold, and so I got some silver paint again at Hobby Lobby. And then I added some glitter to it using some glitter silver nail polish, but you could use Mod Podge and some silver glitter. So I don't know if you're getting that, the glitter. I didn't put a lot of glitter. I wanted it to look shimmery but not too overdone to make it look very magical. And then I just put it on a display rack and I leave it, and it's good because now I could do the inside if I wanted to. See, that was the gold that was actually on the edges. And those are my tarot cards and crystals in here. And it stays in there nicely. and it's a good display. So here it is, and I'm gonna do more close-ups. So here it is. I'm gonna rotate it so that the light isn't directly on it. Filigree pieces, filigree stars. I even have these flat little star stickers. And I like the purple ones. These are like iridescent. It comes in a thing with multi different colors and sizes. They have smaller ones, and that's in purple. I'm going to shift it around to where I wrote. I didn't write it. I actually just used the blingy stickers. They're all blingy, and 2 star stickers with acrylic gemstones. And again, that black, crinkly, like looking of leather. It's a peel and stick. You get it at Amazon. And I painted the sides silver and added a little glitter, if you can see it. It's very, I didn't blob it on. And that's it. That's what it looks like. I love that I did the letters in the back that say tarot. You can do anything that you want to do with these, any design. And then inside is all my tarots. Now if you want to get fancy inside as well, you can buy, they have black or any color felt paper. You can take a sheet and you can glue it right over what's existing. And of course, this was what it was. It was gold and I painted it silver. Now I left it like this for now. I may go ahead and paint that, but it doesn't bother me, and the book is shut, and I just wanted something really cute and fancy on the outside. And this is the one my husband made for himself for his tarot cards. This isn't a book box. This was actually an old box I had. I think it was an old cigar box or something, and I used to use it for my jewelry, but I told him he can have it. And he painted it with a black glitter and then got a peel and stick, and then he bought a decal. And inside we went to Hobby Lobby, and they have little pieces of things like this and some material glue, and he glued that. And see, there was 2 compartments, and this also raises up, and then he has roofed that. So, and this is like a sparkle black paint that he had spray painted it. And then you put your crystals. This sits neater. I know I have mine a little messy inside only because I have my book sitting up. So it's 2 different ways if you want to make a tarot card storage, or if you want to make a fun container for your jewelry or for anything. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe if you're not subscribed. And click that notification bell so that you're notified when I upload my newest content. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my videos. Bye.